Payogriva Sanchalana. Now we are moving for the shoulder variations, that is Bhujanga Sanchalana, related to our shoulders. Now keep your legs hip width distance. Raise your hands up to your shoulder level. Now inhale, slowly raise both hands up. Try to lift both hands up. Your palms should be facing each other. Exhale, bring your hands down. We have to repeat 3 more times. Inhale, raise your arms up above your head. Try to give a good stretch. Exhale, bring your hands down slowly on the sides of your body. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale. Sitting Dandasana.
Easy on there.
So the first asana in sitting section is Bhadrakonasana or Bhadasana. Fold your feet. Try to bring both feet towards your Muladhara Chakra.